turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the passenger side at the back of the vehicle. In order to replace the fuel filter, you must lift the front and back of your vehicle on the passenger side. This will ensure you can slide easily under your car to access the filter. Place the jack in the middle of your vehicle and lift it up. Place it on the axle stands. Nevertheless, we strongly suggest watching the tutorial video lifting your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You should now be able to see the fuel filter located next to the reservoir. Using a thick flathead screwdriver, push on the blue part of the plastic connector and at the same time pull upwards to remove it. Using a container, collect the fuel that will come out of the filter. We suggest that you watch another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Repeat the operation on the other connectors located on both sides of the filter, pushing on the coloured part of the connector and simultaneously levering with a flathead screwdriver to remove it. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the holding screws for the hooping that keeps the filter in place. This will let you remove it. Remove the last fuel conduit with a flathead screwdriver, pushing on the coloured part of the connector and simultaneously levering it to remove it. Before removing the filter from its housing, you can recuperate the caps found on the new filter to avoid the fuel from pouring everywhere. Remove the filter, sliding it forwards. Compare the old filter with the new one. Then put the new one in, sliding it in the opposite direction you used to remove it. Ensure that all the hoses are correctly clipped in. Once correctly clipped, put the holding screws back on the plastic filter hooping. You can now put the vehicle back on the ground. Operation completed.